All right, third grade, I wanted to make a video for your next belt, which is the green belt. And two things we have to know for our green belt. Number one is the note E. So we're going to use everything but the last two holes. So we have B, A, G, two fingers, E. Play your E and make sure it matches mine. Play. All right, that's an E. Now the next thing we have to know is eighth notes. We've done this a lot, but I want to go over it one more time. So I'm going to draw some eighth notes, and right now I'm going to keep them all stuck together. So these are in groups of two. So we have two eighth notes together, and I drew 4 pairs of eighth notes. Okay, so let's say my time signature is 4/4. So I have 4 beats in a measure. But how many notes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's because beats and notes are not the same thing. All right? 4 beats means I'm going to count to 4. But if I have more notes than 4, here's how I'm going to count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now I have 8 notes, but only 4 beats. Think of it as a syllable. When I say Miss Yates, I have 2 syllables, but it's one name. So here's how we write the counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now on this page, there's all different varieties of rhythms. We have some rhythms that start with a quarter note, which gets the whole beat by itself. 1. If I had my 2 eighth notes next, this is the second beat of my measure, so I'm going to put 2 and. Well, what if I then had one of these suckers? That's a half note. It gets 2 beats. So then I would do 3, 4. So if I clap this, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, we've done that in class a whole bunch. If you're totally stuck on that and need some extra help, send me a message. I'll video conference with you. We'll get that sorted out. These rhythms are important because after you've practiced this page and this page, it's time to practice for the green belt. 2 things about the green belt. You have a pickup note. If you look right here, this measure only has 1 beat in it. But if I go to the very end, it only has 3. What's 3 plus 1? 4. So a pickup note is a note at the beginning that we're going to start counting on like 4. We go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I get to the end, I only have 3. So we've just moved a beat to the beginning. That's called a pickup note, okay? The other thing is our 2 eighth note rhythms. So right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. That's the rhythm. Okay, so the rhythm's really important. All right, I'm just going to play it for you so you can practice at home. So I'll count 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what it has to sound like to get your belt. I'll probably ask you to also turn in the green belt written quiz, which will have you write the counts in and tell me what a pickup note. I'll send that through Google Classroom if you want to try out. Hope that helps.